Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a study plan for finals. First, list every subject and topic you need to cover. Next, estimate how much time each subject will realistically require. Don't forget to gather all your textbooks, notes, and other study materials before you begin. This initial organization is crucial for building a solid foundation for your study schedule. Now, let's get that schedule down. Block out specific times in your calendar for each study session, treating them like important appointments. Make sure to prioritize those challenging subjects or larger topics that need more attention. Remember to incorporate short, 5 to 10 minute breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to keep your mind fresh and focused. To truly boost your learning, engage in active recall by quizzing yourself or using flashcards. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to a friend or even just to yourself. This helps solidify your understanding. Also, reviewing past exams and assignments can highlight areas where you need more practice, making your study time more efficient and targeted. Finally, consistent review is key to long-term retention, so revisit material regularly. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your brain's performance. A well-rested mind is a powerful mind. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your study environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Good luck with your finals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.